dearest love, from the moment our paths crossed, something inside me shifted forever. You didn't just enter my life, you became its quiet center, the steady heartbeat I never knew I was missing. You've seen me at my weakest, and loved me in ways that healed parts of me I thought were broken. Every laugh we've shared, every tear we've wiped away, every ordinary moment, they are the treasures I carry in my soul. I don't know what tomorrow holds, but I know this. My heart chose you long ago, and it will choose you every single day after. You are my safe place, my greatest miracle, my reason to believe in forever. Happy Valentine's Day. Thank you for being the love I never stopped hoping for. I love you more than I can ever say.
Thank you for choosing Emotional Digitals. Today, I will show you how easily you can edit these Canva templates in few seconds. First, you have to download Canva into your computer. Then click on the link of the Canva template on the PDF. You will get this interface. Click on the edit button. Here is your video. Now let's play it. Pause it where you have to upload your photo.
My dearest love, from the moment our paths crossed,
You will see upload icon on the left side. Click it and upload your desired pictures on the Canva. Just drag and drop this picture in the video. Isn't it quite simple? Again, play the video and pause it where you have
something
to
inside me shifted.
add your
forever.
picture.
You didn't just
After placing
enter
all
my
your
life,
photos in the
you
video,
became its quiet
just click
center,
on the
the
share
steady
button
heartbeat
on the
I never
top
knew I was
right
missing. You've
corner, click download, select MP4 and share it. Your video will be saved in your computer.
seen me at my weakest. And
I
loved
hope you
me
like this
in ways
tutorial
that healed
and
parts of
comment
me I thought
here
were
if you have any
broken.
other query. Thank
Every
you so
laugh
much
we've
for
shared,
visiting.
every tear we've wiped away, every